Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious vegetarian noodles. First, select your preferred noodle type, like rice or eggless wheat noodles. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, adding a small pinch of salt. Carefully add your noodles and cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain them thoroughly and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and keep them from clumping together. This simple step ensures your noodles are ready for any amazing dish. Next, let's prepare our vibrant vegetable medley. Choose a variety of fresh, colorful vegetables like crisp bell peppers, sweet carrots, tender broccoli, and earthy mushrooms. Chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces to ensure they cook evenly. Heat about 1 tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil, perhaps sesame or olive oil, in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Start by adding the harder vegetables, like carrots and broccoli, sautéing them for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the softer ones, such as bell peppers and mushrooms, for another 2 minutes. This creates a perfect texture. Now, let's craft the perfect flavorful sauce to elevate our noodles. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. For an aromatic boost, add 1 finely minced clove of garlic and about 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Stir in 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or maple syrup to balance the flavors with a hint of sweetness. If you enjoy a little heat, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes can be added. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and ready to coat your delicious noodles and vegetables. Finally, it's time to bring all these wonderful components together. Add your perfectly cooked noodles and the vibrant sautéed vegetables directly into the pan with your freshly made sauce. Gently toss everything using tongs or a spatula, ensuring every strand of noodle and every piece of vegetable is beautifully coated in the flavorful sauce. Continue to cook for just 1 to 2 more minutes, allowing the flavors to truly meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. Garnish with fresh cilantro, sliced green onions, or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade vegetarian noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.